Hello friends, myself Envi Lahamge, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, MVP Samaj, Nasik. In this video, we are going to deal with different sorting techniques which by using which we had to solve many problems, means we had to solve many data elements. So we will first see the basic mechanism behind the sorting techniques. What is the sorting? Sorting is nothing but the ordering of elements either in ascending or the descending manner. What do you mean by ascending and descending? Means either arranging them from small to large is known as ascending, and either arranging them by bigger to smaller are known as descending techniques. So these are the two techniques by using which we can order our elements. So why we are using these sorting techniques? When we handle a large data, then there may be problems like we have to access data using particular roll number, employee ID conditions, or according to we have to arrange this data according to their salary, their address, their qualification, and lots of things. So to achieve these all mechanisms, we are using the sorting techniques. But what is the main benefit using the sorting? When we are using the sorting techniques, it will give us benefit of accessing the data in a limited number of time and giving us the output in quick seconds or in a few time, means the system throughput is always better. So we are using the sorting techniques. There are two types of sorts. First is the internal sort and second is the external sort. So these are the two basic types on behalf of which we have to divide whole the sorting different techniques into these two categories. So first of all, we will see first sorting technique, that is the internal sort. What is the mechanism behind the internal sort? That is, this sort takes place in the main memory. What is it? This sort is take place in the main memory. Means in your actual RAM, these sorting techniques will be done. And what is the advantage behind it? It takes the advantage of random access nature of memory. Means randomly, not going serially, we can access different data elements. So this is the internal sorting. What is the next mechanism behind external sorting? External sortings are carried out on secondary memory. Secondary memories are nothing but the storage memories or temporary purpose memories which we have to use to handle large amount of data. So when we have to use the external sorting mechanism, it is useful when number of elements are too large to fit in the main memory. Means when you had lot of data and this data will not fit into your small main memory. So we are shifting to the secondary storage mechanism where we get a lot of space rather comparing to the main memory. So this is the external sorting. Now we will categorize some sorting techniques which we will see and sort them or categorize them according to the stable sort and unstable sort. First of all, I will clear stable sorting method. What is the stable sorting method? When any two consecutive or lots of data in your unsorted list appears same like in the sorted list is known as a stable sort. Means, for example, if any first unsorted data 3 and 4 are coming consecutive to each other, and in the sorted data they are also coming back to back, means in a contiguous places. So such type of a sorting is known as a stable sorting. This means not that we always not get whole data as a consecutive to each other, continuous to each other, but some of the data will continue to each other. Next, which are the sorting techniques comes under the stable sort, that are bubble sort, insertion sort and merge sort. Means few area or few data will come as it is in its sorted and unsorted method. Next is the unstable sort. Unstable sort is nothing but no any data elements, not a single pair will appear as it is in the sorted list. Means no any data will come to same position after sorting that list. So they are termed as a unstable sorting methods. So which are they? The quicksort method and heap sort methods are the unstable sorting methods. So this is short review or the short term, that is a sorting, its types and which are the sorting methods comes under which category.